Good morning, class. Today we are going to see the practice set 21. I will read example 1, that is angle ACD is an astrial angle of triangle ABC. See that ABC, this is our triangle, and ACD is a astrial angle. The measure of angle A and B are equal. Now this they have told that measure angle A and B are equal. If measure angle ACD is 140 degree, find the measure of angle A and B. Now we find a measure angle. See that in question they have given us that angle A and angle B is equal, means we will assume angle A is equal to angle B, which is equal to x, and solve the following problem. Now see, I have drawn here a triangle ABC and point D. Now these both angles are equal. This and this angle is 140 degree. So we will solve this problem. Now let us write solution. Let measure angle A is equal to measure angle B, which is equal to x degree. So these both are equal. So we have written it by the properties of remote interior angles of a triangle, we have measure angle ACD is equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B, which you have already studied, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Now what we will do, this is given as 140 degree angle A plus it is x. So 140 is equal to 2x. Therefore 140 is equal to 2x divided by 2 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to, we will have 70 degree. Now we have assumed that is measure angle A and B is equal to x. So we write this as, therefore measure angle A is equal to 70 degree and measure angle B is also 70 degree. So when you will add both this, you will get as 70 plus 70, 140 degree. Now we will see the second question of this here. It is very easy to solve. Using the measure of an angle given in the figure alongside, find the measure of remaining three angles. Now we will see how to solve it. First, for that, first we will draw a triangle figure. Sorry, not a triangle, a figure. See this. It is, here is O, here you have A, you have B, you have C here, you have point D here, you have point E here, you have point F here. It is 8y, you have your 4y, you have your 6y, and you want to find the remaining angle. For that, we will see first vertically opposite angle. Now we will write it. Now see here, these all are, when you will see this, there is a vertical opposite angle. Can you tell me which is vertical opposite angle? See that this y 4y is opposite to this, so you will have your 4y. Similarly, you will have your 6y. Similarly, you will have 8y. Why? Vertical opposite angles are equal. Now we will solve by that method and we will go through it. See that. Now measure angle BOC is equal to measure angle FOE, which is equal to 4y. See that BOC, which is equal to measure angle FOE, which is equal to 4 degree. Why? Reason is vertically opposites angles are equal. So we have written here vertically opposite angle. Now measure angle AOB plus measure angle BOC plus measure angle COD is equal to measure angle AOD. See that AOB, BOC, COD, these form a straight line. You are getting that? See that this is a straight line. Like this you will have a straight line. So you know that measure of straight line is, straight angle is 180 degree. So we will write it. Since measure angle AOD is 180 degree, why? It is straight angle, that is straight angle. It is straight angle. Now we will solve it. See that it was vertically opposite, so it became 4y. Now we will write it as angle AOB. See here, angle AOB plus BOC plus COE, that is 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree. So when you will add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 8 is equal to 18y is equal to 180 degree. So when you will divide it by 18, you will get it as 10 degree. But you know that therefore y is equal to 10. But now we will see 4y. Now you have got that y is equal to 10 degree. Now 4y is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 40 degree. 6y is equal to 6 into 10 is 60 degree. Similarly, 8y is equal to 8 into 10, that is 80 degree. That means you see that measure, when you see the angle, that measure angle AOB is equal to measure angle DOE, which is equal to 80 degree. Measure angle BOC, which is equal to measure angle FOE, which is equal to 40 degree, and measure angle COD is equal to measure angle AOF is equal to 60 degree. So in this way we have solved this problem. Now let us look for last problem of this practice set 21. In the isosceles triangle ABC, angle B and angle A and B are equal. Angle ACD is an real angle of triangle ABC. The measure of ACB and ACD are 3x minus 70 degree, 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measure of angle ACB and angle ACD, and also find the measure angle A and measure angle B. Now for that, let us draw a rough figure to understand how it is. See that you have here a figure that is A, B, C and D. You have your D, and it is given that this angle is 3x minus 70 degree, and here is 8x plus 10 degree. Similarly, you have given it. Now we will see. We have rough a diagram. Now we will start for the solution. Let us first draw rough figure. Why I am telling you? Because you should know that you should draw a rough figure. When you draw a rough figure, you come to know that these both angles, that is angle ACD and angle ACB, forms a linear pair which measure 180 degrees. So we'll write measure angle ACB plus measure angle ACD is equal to 180. Why? Angles in linear pair, because they are forms the linear pair. Therefore 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. So here 3 and 8, 9, 10, 11x is equal to 180. This will come this side, it will become plus 70 minus 10. So 11x is equal to, now when you will do this, what you will do that 180, so you will 180 plus 17, so 8, 9, 1 minus 10. What you have getting here? 187. Now you want to find the x, so x is equal to 187 divided by 11. When you will divide it, you will get as 70 degree. Therefore measure angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 70 degree. So 3 into 17 minus 70. So you will have it. Now when you will do 51 minus 17, you will have it as 34 degree. Therefore next you will find measure angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10, that is 8 into 17 plus 10. You will do now 136 plus 10 is equal to 146 degree. So that we will see that therefore measure angle A plus measure angle B is equal to measure angle ACD. Why? Which is because it tells that is properties of the astrial angle of a triangle. Due to their property, we say that sum of the external interior angle is equal to the astrial angle. So therefore measure angle A plus measure angle B is equal to 146 degree. Therefore measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to 146 divided by 2. Why divided? Because these both are equal. So we have 2, that is 73 degree. Therefore measure angle A is equal to 73 degree, B is equal to 73 degree, and measure angle ACB is equal to 34 degree, and measure angle ACD is equal to 146 degree. In this way we have completed our practice set 27. You go through these IC tools and link, read it properly, practice it nicely. Thank you.